yesterday. I'm like, you know what? I need a clutter clarity thing. So
Yep.
help me. And so she gave me a bunch of thoughts. And one of them was kind of good.
Oh.
I mean, they were all good. But so I have one client who there's a lot of food waste. So
Okay.
what I've done is I've gone through and dated every single bottle of food or can of food that's in their house. So
but it's already got a date on it.
Right, but it's teeny and sometimes they're hard to find.
Okay.
So, like, let's say you have a can of beans, because that's the first thing that comes into my mind. Can of corn,
That's good
baseball
for
term.
25 years.
Yeah. But so right on the top of the can, I write like 619, really big, so that anybody who's in the house ever at any time can see, oh, I'm not going to eat this. This is
It's perfectly fine.
Canned
correct.
stuff's good for 100 years or
Yep.
something.
If it's in a can.
Correct. But
Like insane.
just to give an idea for the person who's living there that, you know, you don't have to search for that little date. Yes, it's probably fine.
Oh, so
But-
you don't need your glasses then to see.
Right, so you don't
Okay.
need your glasses. It's easily done, and there's an excessive amount of food in this house.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes also you're reaching for something and you want to make sure that you're getting the oldest, use the oldest first.
Got it.
But my niece had another suggestion, and she
You're always
says
supposed to rotate your stock when you go shopping.
they don't.
Oh.
They don't. So what they do there at her boyfriend's house is anytime they put something in the fridge and open it, they date it. So like the salsa, you know, or yogurt or anything like that, when it's open, they date it. I'm like, what a great idea, because this way you don't have to, you know, do the smell test or, you know,
Yeah,
how
just
long.
taste it. They go, ooh,
You
that
can tell
doesn't.
by the fur in the jar.
Yeah, that's
Right, exactly. And I do that too. Sometimes
But
I
you just
look
cut
at
that
things
off.
and I'm like,
You can just cut that off and go to the good jelly underneath.
Yeah.
okay,
That's
ew.
bad.
No, but it's a really good idea to date it so you don't have to wonder, like spaghetti sauce. When's the last time I used this spaghetti sauce? It says it's good until whatever, but it's been open. How long has it been open? You know, it's just a nice rule of thumb to say, okay, I opened this 3 weeks ago. Maybe it's time to open a fresh jar of something. Excuse me.
Some fresh meat.
Some fresh meat. Have we had any calls, fresh meat, lately?
Yes, we have. We're at 60 seconds, by the way.
877-711-5611. You too can call in and let us know if we should call fresh meat or not.
Yep.
And the other thing is maybe next week we need to have a couple or start for the summer some gardening.
Well, you know what we're doing
sections.
next week.
We'll be outside.
Yeah.
We'll be outside.
Yes.
Yes, but I think
Well,
that
Ron won't even be there.
No. Nor will Rich.
So it's going to be
what Rich?
Robbie and Osh sitting at the table with
Right.
Osh trying to keep Robbie in check because
Right.
she'll just wander off.
Yep.
You know,
If I
somebody's gonna
get there on
strap the
time.
microphone to her.
If I get there on time.
That's exactly it.
So I was going to give you
Custer
my
Fair.
gardening tip, but I
Okay.
think we're going to wait till next week and maybe have some gardening segments. I know it's not clutter, but it's
And
summertime.
I talked to Mike Novak. He's coming in a couple weeks too to do that.
Awesome.
So we're gonna have to.
I got
do
some good gardening for heavy planting potting soil. I'm just going to keep talking over the break because you like when I do that.
Mighty House will return.